also read in the newspaper and also I saw in the social media that the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, they have not paid the salary almost for 42 months, which for I don't know for what reasons the salary has not been paid to them. So here we have seen if we don't pay salary for 2-3 months, people are crying. I know how people can still surviving after denying the salary for the last 42 and 40 or 42 years or 42 months. If you ask me, if anybody working in my organizations, if I'm not paid to the any person who are working in my organizations, how do we feel? You feel injustice to anyone, no? If we are not working, okay, the salary can be held up. But if they are really working, how the salary can be held up for so many months? Government and competent authority will survey on the issue. So whatever it is, fine to do the best for the benefits of the people, they should do it. For the benefits of the employee, they should do it.